There's been a scarcity of agricultural produce in the community. The farmers, middlemen, wholesalers and retailers are all unhappy and they want the government to interfere. The government has finally called a meeting with a few representatives from all the agents involved in agricultural marketing. They want to hear them out and see what they can do to help. All agricultural marketing agents were in agreement when they listed out some of the problems facing them, such as lack of basic amenities, no transportation and storage facilities, poor financing of agricultural projects, and inadequate processing facilities. The government then promised to get back to them with concrete solutions. We've established that agricultural marketing fails when the final consumer does not have access to fresh, quality and affordable agricultural produce. We also discussed some of the problems facing agricultural marketing, just like the farmers explained to the government. In today's lesson, we want to act as advisories to the government by attempting to prefer possible solutions to some of these problems. Some of the things that can be done by the government and private institutions are the provision of good roads, assisting farmers with credit and subsidies, provision of storage and processing facilities. The government can also help by creating better policies that will help in stabilizing the farmers' incomes and improving their quality of life. Market research should also be encouraged among agricultural marketing agents. This will enable marketing agents to respond adequately to the needs of consumers. We have finally come to the end of our lessons in agricultural marketing. We hope it has been as interesting for you as it has been for us. See you in the next lesson.